Okay, children, now we are moving to the next exercise. Okay, in this exercise, already we have seen the sound was given OI and OW. Okay, in this grid, in this boxes, this is the grid because it's a divided in the lines. Okay, in this grid, the OY and OW word was given. We are going to find it out the OI and OW word, and we are going to write it on its corresponding boxes. Okay, I have a one interesting thing to do. If you get OI, then we will put tick. If OW, then we will put cross mark. Okay, let's do this exercise. If you're having OI sound or OW word, crop, okay, tray, owl is it's a cross mark, crowd. Next one, no, it's not having OW sound. OW, prawn, very good. Here, sorry, now, this is not. Okay, it's a prawn, very good. It's a crowd. Okay, totally we got how many words? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In all the 5 words we got that OW word in it. Okay, hall, crowd, now, prawn and growl. Okay, now let's find it out the OY word. Having a OY. Yes, 1. And where it is. You are going to help me to find it out where it is. Yes, here. 2. Then find it out. 3. Next one. 4. 5. 6. Okay, let's count how many words are in OY. Ploy, 1. Troy, 2. And here also same word, ploy. So you don't need to write the same one here. Soy, 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 3. Toy, TOY, 4. And joy, 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 5. So far we have find it out the 5 word having a OW word and 5 word which having a OY word. Okay, now we are going to write it on its particular boxes. OY. Okay, we are going to write the letters which have a OY. Okay, so far we have got the 5 word. Okay, so only I put a tick so you can easily understand. So you usually can pick the word and write it. It will help you to, isn't it? It's very easy. No, if I put tick, then it will become easy. Okay, let's write the tick word. First word, which is the first word? Yes, ploy. Tell me the spelling for me. P, L, very good. O, good. Y, ploy. Okay, next the second one. Troy, very nice. T, R, O, Y, Troy. And the third one, soy, very good. S, tell me the spelling for soy. O, Y, soy, very good. Okay, next word. Yes, toy, very nice. T, O, Y, toy. Okay, and the next word. Very good. What is the next word? Joy, very nice. J, O, Y, joy, very nice. Ploy, Troy, soy, toy and joy. We have written so far. Okay, now I put a cross mark the word which having a OW letters. Okay, you are going to find it out and tell me where is the OW letter. We already find it out and I put a tick mark, a cross mark. You just going to find it out where the cross mark and you're going to tell to me. Okay, let's write. What is the first word? Yes, here is the first word. Okay, just tell me what is the sound of the word. Howl. Howl. Yes, H O W L, howl. And the second word, crowd. Very good. C R O W N D. Crowd. Okay. Okay. Crowd means lot of peoples were gathering together. Then we will say it like a crowd. Okay. Crowd. When you are going shopping, there are a lot of people were around with you, isn't it? It is called as crowd. Okay, children, do you understand what is the meaning for crowd? Okay, let's write the third word. Yes, the first two word was completed. You are going to find it out the third word. Which one? Yes, now. N O W. Now. Now means present. You are watching my video. Now I am teaching a class to you. This is a meaning for now. Okay, and the fourth word. Find it out, children, carefully find it out. Yes, where it is? Frown. Very good. Okay, tell me the spelling for frown. F, very nice. R O W N. Frown. Very nice. Okay, and the last word, the fifth word, you are going to find it out. Which one? Growl. Very good. G R O W L. Growl. Okay, children. Okay, we have find it out 5 OY word letter which having the OY letter in the word, and we find it out the 5 word which having a OW letter. Let's revise one more time. P L O Y, ploy. T R O Y, troy. S O Y, soy. T O Y, toy. J O Y, joy. Here O W word. H O W L, hall. C R O W D, crowd. N O W, now. F R O W N, frown. G R O W L, growl. Okay, children, do you understand? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.